Hello everyone, so today we have x to the power of 2 minus 9 all over x minus 3 equals to 6. We're going to solve together. Let's seek solution. Recall that 9 can be written as 3 to the power of 2. So we're going to replace it here so that our equation becomes x to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of 2 all over x minus 3, which is equals to 6. But a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is represented as a plus b times a minus b. This is in the form of this, so we're going to replace it with the identity so that the numerator can be written as x minus 3 into x plus 3 all over x minus 3. This all equals to 6. And if we agree on this one, we can say x minus 3 cancels out. What is left here is x plus 3. This equals to 6. S can be written to be equals to 6 minus 3. And if you do this very one, x will be equals to 3. And also we can solve this equation using another method. That is the second method. From our equation, x to the power of 2 minus 9 all over x minus 3 is given to be 6. If we cross multiply, we can have x to the power of 2 minus 9 equals to 6 times x minus 3. Thank you for staying tuned. I would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel. Click on the like button so that we can have more visibility. Alright, let's continue. If we do this very one, we have x to the power of 2 minus 9 equals to 6x minus 18. And if we rearrange this, we'll end up having x to the power of 2 minus 6x minus 9 plus 18. Everything equals to 0. And this is x to the power of 2 minus 6x minus 9 plus 18, that is plus 9, equals to 0. Again, we can write this as x to the power of 2 minus 6x plus 3 to the power of 2. This is equal to 0. And from here, x minus 3 to the power of 2 will be equal to 0. If you open on this very one, we arrive at our previous line and we're fine. So we're going to take the square root of both sides. That is x minus 3 to the power of 2 square root equals to square root of 0. And here the square and the square root will cancel out. And square root of 0, of course, is 0. This is x minus 3. And from here, s will be equals to 3. Again, we arrive at s equals to 3 from the second method. So to verify this, from our equation, x to the power of 2 minus 9 over x minus 3 equals to 6. If we put s equals to 3, so we have 3 to the power of 2 minus 9 over 3 minus 3 equals to 6. And if you do this very one, we end up having 0 all over 0 equals to 6. And 0 definitely is not equals to 6. That means x minus 3 is not equals to 6. And s also is not equal to 6. This means there's no solution to this question. Thank you for staying tuned to the end. See you in our next video. Bye bye.